Yo, back with a new pickup from Bait. These dropped last week. Glad I was able to pick these up. Really wanted these for the worldwide release from Sneakers76 and Saucony collab for their 10th anniversary. The special packaging released from Sneakers76 was super dope. Wasn't able to pick it up, but really excited about this worldwide release that they had. And I grabbed off Bait, Saucony box, Saucony originals. This is my favorite model, Shadow 5000s, size 7, Shadow 5000s. Color is red, gray, blue. Check it out, Saucony times Sneakers76, the legend of the god Taurus. Let's take it out, slide out box. And here you go. These are very beautiful. Alright, so it comes with a leather little pouch. Pretty dope touch. Saucony originals. Saucony originals, that leather. It's nice. These are sneakers. Comes with blue and gray laces. Here is the shoes. Very nice. See that suede on the toe box? That red. Super soft. Leather on the Saucony. Has that little bronze hit on the back with the blue. Super clean shoe. You can tell it's like a little, the midsole is kind of, the paint is kind of sparkly or glittery. I don't know how you, but these are sick. Sick shoe. Has the leather on the tongue. Saucony and the logo. Check out the insole. You can tell. Yep. All leather as well. Check out the bottoms in gray. This is a sick shoe. Glad I was able to pick it up. Very nice collaboration. These sold out everywhere. This is an awesome collab. Dope colorway. I'm all in for suede sneakers, and Saucony is doing really well. Thanks for watching. Just a quick pickup video. Sneakers76 and Saucony collaboration. Very nice, high quality sneaker, and inside this insole has Sneakers76 logo. And the other one too, all leather. Very nice. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.